Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. Before we get started with today's video, I did want to announce that I will be officially launching my brand very soon, and I'm so excited. I have been working on this for almost a year now, so the time is finally here. If you do follow me on Instagram, I have been posting some sneak peeks the past couple weeks and maybe the past month. So the time is finally here. I'm gonna share my website with you guys. But my brand is called Better Tomorrow. This brand is meant to be more than just a streetwear brand. It's meant to be a reminder that it doesn't matter where you are in life today, you are in full control of your actions and you can have a better tomorrow. With discipline, anything is possible. So this brand is meant for everybody and I'm excited to finally be sharing it with you guys. I will have our website linked down below. Feel free to put your email in to get notified once we launch. Since this is our first launch, we don't have a lot of t-shirts, so there is a limited quantity, just letting you guys know. But depending on how this goes, then we'll see what design we do next. If we have to do a restock, we'll figure all of that out. I really do hope that you guys can support and be a part of this movement. I'll have my Instagram and website linked down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Now let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I am going to be going to SPOCOM and I'm really excited. I have never been to like an indoor show before. I've only been to Subieflow, but it's a little bit different. I mean, it's still a show, but it's not the same, if you know what I mean. I've kind of always felt like my car wasn't ready, but maybe I just wasn't ready and now I am, and I'm excited. I'm most likely not going to win anything, but that's fine. I'm just happy to be there. I am going to be meeting up with my friend Alex. I convinced her to take her car as well, and I believe this is her first car show as well, like the indoor ones too. So I'm excited for both of us. It's going to be a fun experience. It's going to be a long day. We are on our way and it's 8:41. Our roll-in is at 10 or 10:30, so we're going to be there from 10 to 10 basically. But right now we're going to meet up at Chick-fil-A. We're going to grab a quick bite to eat before we head over to the show. But I thought I would just share my experience with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just going to be the car show and I will talk to you guys later. We just got to Chick-fil-A. Alex, it's over there. We just got our Chick-fil-A and we are on our way to the meetup spot. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I do need to clean up my car a little bit because I washed it last night, but you know how it is. My wheels are a little bit dirty, so we're going to do that once we get there. We just got here. We're parked outside before we walk in. Alex and me, we made it. Oscar's over here. Got so many sick cars. So excited. I love this color. It's like a mint. So nice. Way better. That looks way better. We are about to roll in. We are with Team Eminence, although I'm not part of the team just yet.
Just yet?
Whoa. No, I'm kidding. But we don't have a banner, so we're gonna be last. But we are parking with them, so that's gonna be pretty cool. They're doing their inspections. I wonder what I'm hiding in here. We're waiting to get in. It's by Oscar behind me. Hello. And then Alex over here. We're rolling in. Lonzo's over there trying to get some shots of us, but we're good, excited. to my girl. Look at her tail lights. I can't get over it. So cute. But yeah, we are here. I'm about to start cleaning my car, but so excited. gonna be you?
Yes.
Yes?
If I hit the lottery.
If you hit the lottery?
I'll buy 2 of these.
There will be signs. You won't tell the world, but there will be signs.
I get one in black and one in white.
There you go. Bright seats in the back. Sick. On hopes and dreams. We made it to the gas station. Everybody's here because we all need gas. Alex is over there. Literally everybody is here. Finally feeding her. See how much it takes. Ending the night with some canes. The best way. Did you guys have fun? Yeah? Did you have fun? It was mid? Yeah. It was too hot, honestly.